hold up, wait, guys. Oh, this is the perfect place to scream. So, yeah. I think it's a perfect time to scream at the top of my fucking lungs. Yeah! And you might be wondering, Caden, why did you do that? Because all my videos are back. I'm looking you dead in the eyes. I'm locking eyes with you guys. Now, all my videos are back. All of them. Melon Chronicles, they're all there now. All the original videos, they're there. Go watch them. Now. Go watch them. Because all of them were hidden by my mom for like a year. And now they're back. So, you guys can go watch them now. I am inside my whip right now. But anyways, yeah, go watch my videos. They're back. I found out a way to bring them back. Strong ass wind. Moving my whole car. Anyways. Go watch them. They're back. All of them. All of them are back. The original ones for the OG pizza lovers out there. You guys obviously know my mom hate all my videos. But for the new ones that's just subscribed, like the two that just subscribed like now, or four anyway, four because I have like 289, 288, and yeah. But anyways, yeah. All my videos are back. Go watch them. All the Melon Chronicle videos that you can watch, they're all there now. Some of them may be cringe, some of them may not be canon, but hey, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. So until next time, see you later, pizza lovers.